Upgrade your Jeep with the aggressive good looks of Rough Country's vented hood for Jeep JK models. Inspired by the 50th annual Easter Jeep Safari Trailcat concept, this sleek yet rugged hood gives your vehicle an undeniably unique look that's sure to turn heads. This steel hood features multiple air vents that provide greater heat dissipation to your engine bay to promote cooler temperatures. Each hood is created using a precise CNC laser cut technique to ensure an exact fit for your vehicle. Rough Country's vented JK hood is coated in a durable black primer and arrives ready to be painted. This easy-to-install hood upgrade uses a simple bolt-on installation process that can be performed in no time flat. Rough Country's vented JK hood features integrated recesses that allow you to retain any factory or aftermarket hood latch for ease of use, as well as relocation holes that allow you to retain the factory washer nozzles. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.